Hey YouTube viewers, how are you guys doing? It has been months since I've come out with a video. Sorry for that, I've just been going through little career changes and life changes. But I have an exciting review for you guys here today. And anyone new that is joining us, welcome. This is the 650. I am from the Niagara region in Canada and Ontario, and I do reviews for watches under the $50 range. So today I'm doing a review on a much different style watch than I usually do. This is very low price, well under $50. Since we're in Canada, it's as you can see for $9.99 on promotion by Amazon. That's how much I bought it for a couple weeks back. But the price on these keep fluctuating back and forth. So if you look at it right here, it is a brand called Shifney Me. I guess that's the Asian inspired name. Um, Great looking watch from what I saw. Now, ever since I bought this watch, the prices have been going back and forth from $9.99 back to the original price of $29.99. Still not a bad watch, but if you get it for this price right here at $10, it is a steal of a deal. It has a fully functional chronograph, quartz movement, of course, um, a date window, and comes in a leather band. If you do, however, want one with a steel band, this one right here, and you click on it, the price jumps up to $29.99, but you're still not paying the full price, which is $50 over here, and does come under way under $50 range. So, according to my, you know, viewers all around the world, I know the national currency exchange rate goes according to the U.S. dollar. So, 10 Canadian dollars is pretty much about $8.50 US, which is, I mean, this watch you cannot even get for under $30 on AliExpress themselves. So I'm not sure how Amazon does it sometimes, but they do give you some great deals. Um, yeah, so a couple other pictures shows you what these chrono functions do exactly. A little modeling. Not sure if that guy was actually the model for the watch or they just photoshopped it, but hey, looks great. So this is not entirely a wooden watch. It is, as it says material is ebony wood. That's just the material used for the actual face of the watch, which I'll be showing you guys in a second. And it does say that it's 11 millimeters thick. It has, you know, the bandwidth is 22 millimeters, and yeah, and the diameter is about 45 millimeters. So those guys who don't want a super small watch, but something like, goes on your wrist and makes it look noticeable, this would be a great watch to have. Um, yeah, so you can check it out. The details and everything. I'll post a link for this in my description. But let's get to the watch itself, which is here again. Just comes in a nice little cardboard box. And by the way, guys, I didn't mention it, but while I was away and I didn't put out videos, my other videos did get a lot of attention, and I've hit 1,000 subscribers. So this watch will be part of that 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you guys want to, get a chance to win this, you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that bell item to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Subscribe and comment below um, why you think this will be a great watch for you, what interests you about it, and recommendations for me to do any other watches off AliExpress, DHgate, Wish, Amazon, as long as they're under the $50 range, and I'll take in those recommendations. So, without further ado, let's open this up. Just plain cardboard box. Alright, another little cardboard box packaging coming out from inside. Again with that Shifney brand logo and name. Let me know if I'm mispronouncing that, guys. So All right. Okay. Oh, packaging over here, and there was a watch. So I will be using a glove to look at this watch. We've just gone over all the specs and everything, the basic ones at least, because I don't want to put any smudges on it because this will be part of, as I said, the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. No booklet or anything inside, just this. Well, hold on a second. There's something here. Sorry for that, guys. Oh, it is a booklet, a watch instruction. So this will just have like the basic info about how to operate the watch, warranty, if this thing even has warranty. But hey, great for a gift purpose or anything like that, right? So let's put this back in here and then look at the actual watch itself. First impressions, looks pretty nice. I mean, for $10, what can go wrong, right? So let's take it out. Nice little tag on it. Let's push the crown in, get it working. I mean, guys, it feels really, really good for $10. Even at $30, I think this would be a sweet deal. Get a little close up on that. What do you guys think? Yeah, again, not so much. They didn't work so much on the finishing, but hey, for the price and what you pay, it is great. Let's play around with this somewhat. No. You could definitely tell that they didn't put a lot of work into this. The buttons, chrono buttons are a bit stiff. But you can see that bottom sub-seconds is now working after giving it a couple of tries. And if I want to reset it, and then it goes back. So, yeah, I mean, for the price, it's good. I don't think this is an original leather band either. Has no markings. That's leather band, has no markings that it's how wide it is. But yeah, this is the watch. Um, yeah. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Yeah. Alright, guys, let me know what you think of the watch. Sorry, guys, little background disturbance from the family. I did forget to tell them that I'm doing this, so it's kind of my fault. But yeah, not much more to say about this watch. For the price is okay, but a little disappointing. So Would I recommend this for $10 Canadian or $8.50 US? It's definitely a steal. Great to gift or wear as a daily watch, but for anything above that price, I would not recommend it. So if you're gonna go on, if you're anywhere else around the world and you're gonna go on AliExpress and buy it for $25, $30, I would not recommend it. Put your money away and buy a better brand like Cadison, Starking, or some of the, so many other brands. I'll be doing a recommendation video on brands and watches to buy on AliExpress under the $50 range. So stay tuned for that. And again, comment below as to why you think this would be a great watch to add to your collection, and with recommendations what I should review next, and yeah, get a chance to win this. All right, guys, take care.